how to cancel Netflix subscription. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your membership to Netflix so that you no longer get charged within the Netflix app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Netflix app, then select My Netflix in the bottom right. Once on My Netflix, select the little drop down right here next to your name and then select Account. Once you get to this page right here where it says Account with your membership details, scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see Cancel Membership. Once you get to Manage Membership, find Cancel, select the little plus icon, then scroll down a little bit and select Finish Cancellation. And there we go. We now get the confirmation that we've canceled our Netflix subscription. It gives us the last day that we will be able to access Netflix. So all you need to do now is you can select the X, go back to Netflix, and keep using it until you end your subscription. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.